tell me why you think we live on a spinning ball.
Because God made it that way.
No, God made it flat.
Yep. He says it doesn't move either.
Yep.
He sits above the circle of the earth.
Do you really believe Scripture? Then look into it. How does it match up to a spinning ball? It doesn't.
Well, people don't know the science or the Bible.
No, they don't know any of it.
This is Nathan's card. I'm going to give some to
That's fine.
some to Zoom.
Yeah.
Anyway, because I saw him giving them out before, like when he got to talking about the Bible.
Yes.
He handed these out.
That's good. Awesome. How do we live on a spinning ball or no? You don't know? Here we go. This is a flat Earth map.
And flat.
This is a flat Earth map.
There is no proof. We've never been there to actually see it.
Well, all the photos are computer generated or paintings. If you pull them up on Google, every one of them's a computer generated picture, a fake.
An image. They have to call it legally an image. They can't call it a picture.
Yeah.
So this is in the Boston Library. It's a flat Earth map. Okay? North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. But all these world organizations don't put Antarctica on there. But they use a flat Earth map. Okay? So I don't think they want you to know it goes around the outside edge.
The Earth's round. I'm very.
How about the hollow Earth theory?
I don't know about that. All I'm teaching is this. And if you look up this right there, it'll show you everything we got on the banners. But it is a flat surface. You get the line, you don't get a little spot. See, that's reality. Yeah, that's reality. If you curve your paper up at a light bulb, you only get a little spot. So that's reality. And look at this. We've got concentric circles here, star trails. That's Polaris in the middle. This is what they teach in the schools. That everything is moving through the wild universe, right? Vast universe, and everything's spinning around. You would never get that with what they teach in the schools. And that's reality. I'd rather live in reality.
Yeah, you're really traveling 1.3 million miles an hour. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you'll be smarter.
It's actually, it's not theory, it's fact. She's going to look into it.
No, she's smart.
You can tell. Yeah. So prove we live on a spinning ball and I'll give you one. Anybody care to guess? Look at all the people. We're getting lots of coverage here. Don't you think?
Much as the same as the park. We're at the park.
All right, prove we live on a spinning ball and you can get one. You can win one. Look into it. Science information. It can't hurt you.
You're not walking upside down on a spinning ball. It's impossible.
I don't want to move this back here.
Can you yell like that, Marilyn?
Yeah, worse. Hi, prove we live on a spinning ball and you can win one. What's your first guess as why you think we live on a spinning ball?
Why do you have a spinning ball?
Why do you think we live on a spinning ball? The globe.
To stay from falling off.
Well, you really think we live on a spinning globe?
I think so.
I think you need to look this up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, type all this stuff in right here, and you'll figure out all this stuff we have on the banners. Okay. But we do not live on a spinning ball. There's a curvature formula, and there's no curvature.
Oh, okay.
And there's a line on the flat.
Yeah, but
they lie in the schools.
Christopher Columbus didn't fall off on the.
Yeah, well, he was going. He was going around.
They started with a flat thing. And
you go around.
Okay.
See? That's called circle navigation.
All right. I'll look this up.
Thank you, dear.
It'll keep you busy for a month.
Oh, I know. Winter's coming.
Yeah, baby. Good attitude.
When we get snowed in.
Come on over. Prove to me you live on a spinning ball and you can win one.
You can't say that every time.
Come on. Come on over here. Science. All right, on your way back.
I'm hearing it every time.
I don't care. You ought to see my videos. It's all the same thing.
I'll get my own flat Earth.
Really? Do you want to take the banners and go down and walk around?
No, I'll just watch you work.
Prove we live on a spinning ball and I'll give you one.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, look this up. It's information. FBI.
Okay.
Good job.
There you go. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You're not walking up front.
Well, we got one guy who's going to come back.
People never come back.
Oh, stop it.
I was in the business.
You're so negative.
People that say
yeah, but I'm cute and you're not cute.
I'm semi-cute.
He's semi-cute. I do like the ponytail, though. That's very lovely.
The Bible says the earth doesn't move.
Prove to me we live on a spinning ball. And you can win one.
I like NASA's faking everything. I've got one guy.
Well, you do that. You do that.
But you yell too loud.
Well, go ahead. You yell it yourself.
No, I'm not yelling at you.
What was your thing? NASA what?
NASA, there's not one real image of Earth in space. NASA's faking space
Well,
travel because
that's like 3 sentences. I only want one sentence. Shorten it up.
How do you know you're
Prove we live on a spinning ball and you can win one. I bet you can't prove it. Give me one fact. What tells you that you live on a spinning ball? It's not true. I'll prove it to you.
It's 10 by 10.
Yep, I'll prove it to you. You can look this at home. We do not live on a spinning ball. Prove to me with one fact that we live on a spinning ball. One thing. Come on. You're smiling. You think you got the world, right? Come on. You got it.
You should probably try to draw him in.
I was grabbing for his arm hairs, like, see?
2 weekends ago.
Hey, prove we live on a spinning ball.
That's okay.
No, we don't. We do not live on a spinning ball. Earth is not a spinning ball. You can prove it. Yeah, you can't prove to me we live on a spinning ball. Yeah, you don't have one. I don't like taking crap from people.
Yeah,
but you know they're deluded.
I know, but you don't have a brain. I'm there. You don't have one. I mean, I come right back at them.
Well,
it's like,
I've had almost 2 fights now when I've been with
oh,
you.
yeah. Oh, like you're going to blame me for all that, right? Is that what you're doing?
No.
I wish I had.
Oh,
I have a coffee in the car.
Right in my face. All space travel always have, always will be, because they can't get through the firmament. It's impossible. Have you looked it up? Well, how you doing? I mean, it's not. Well, see, I think flat Earth is eternal. As far as the emotions are concerned, well, that's why. How you doing?
Very good. How are you?
All right. She's good with you guys. So you pretty much got to step in front of her.
I got to think about this. What stops somebody in their tracks?
NASA faking space travel. See, flat Earth, they know to turn their head when they see that.
Well, you could take your shirt off. Maybe that would cause a scene.
No, they don't get me the mess. Oh, we got to go to Hey, did you ever hear the Earth is flat? What? The Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat? Yeah. I think in my youth that was it.
Give him a card. Give him a card.
Beat it out of him. Okay, seriously, what's a draw?
I don't know. I just do my thing, you know.
Well, what stops people in their tracks and they'll say to themselves, you know what I mean? What is it? What arsenal do we have? What's that stuff?
Yeah, the Earth is not a spinning ball. You can look it up yourself. Earth is not a spinning ball. Prove to me we live on a spinning ball. Give me one fact. Give me one fact we live on a spinning ball. Give me one fact that we live on a spinning ball. Anybody got one? Just one? spinning ball. Because we don't.
How about, let me show you why we don't live on a spinning water ball. Something like that.
Try it.
Yeah, but I'm not good at that.
Yes, you are. If you
that
came up with it, you should be able to say it. So come on, go ahead, say it.
That's not true, no.
Oh, say it. Mark, stop it. Go ahead, say it. Say it.
Say what?
Whatever you just said. Look, here comes 3 girls. Say it. Give me one fact that we live on a spinning ball. Give me one fact that you think we live on a spinning ball. Here, you can look this up yourself. Give me one fact.
I don't know what the right thing is, but yeah. I was in that Ocean City after they get past her and they started laughing, right? I was standing there and I was hitting them up with the NASA eyes and not standing, and their faces just changed, just like that.
Yeah. Yeah, I know
Because
that.
they thought they can get away with mocking it.
Yeah. I know. That was a very good
That's
setup.
what got me into, almost got me
So
into
maybe
a fight.
you ought to stand over there.
I've been thinking about it.
See?
But then you smell something burning? That was me thinking.
The smoke.
If water is always level, how are we on a ball?
That's a good one, Dave. I like that. If water's level, how come we live on a ball? Water's always level, right? How can it be on a spinning ball? Look this up. It's true. Give me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball. One reason. I'll prove you wrong in 10 seconds.
I believe the correct answer is indoctrination.
That is, and you know that answer, but they don't. See, this might be the first time some have heard of it, although this is where I had that parade.
Well, that was one of the things that you said before, is like, at least let them hear something.
Right.
Because people haven't even heard it.
I know. How could a tiny little car get in an accident like that? I mean, it's so little.
Bicycle.
Those are the biggest pieces of crap.
Give me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball.
No photos.
One reason. One reason. Why do you think we live on a spinning ball? If you can convince me, you can win one. I don't expect to give any of them away today. Nobody can tell me why. Nobody has one reason. No facts. Give me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball. Could it be the propaganda machine called NASA? NASA lies. NASA lies. Give up Star Trek.
I think we'd have better luck if we just said, check it out.
I know, I've been doing that too. But people will cross the other side. So why don't you do that part? Come on, Dave. I'm gonna leave and let you stand here by yourself. Get you out of your comfort zone. Here. Oh, you can look this up yourself. There are a lot of ladies, and they aren't as scientifically minded.
When you're relaxing at home, check this out.
Check this out. Want to look this up? Thank you.
We're on sale today, man. Free.
On sale, free.
Now, we got a coach now.
Yeah, he's behind. He's a backseat driver. He ought to be out in the front
he's a
seat.
coach.
Give me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball.
Because it's a known fact?
No, it's not. Come here, I'll show you why.
It's a theory. Hollywood.
No, it's NASA lies. Yeah, one fact that you think we live on a spinning ball. One thing.
That's all just pretend. Fool y'all. You're not walking upside down on a spinning ball.
70% I hear.
Oh, I'm gonna sit down for a minute. You guys can hang it.
I didn't think about bringing a chair.
I got one if you want it.
My car, I didn't know how to do it. I caught up with my friend. They had because I wanted to be mine, not certain. All their designs were, kind of hey, pictures and stuff. I wanted to do it. All right.
Very good. Wow,
It's like a crystal glass. It's a hard surface up there. It's holding.
Gave out like 12 cards.
Joke, man.
What?
Gave out like 12 cards.
Good job.
He sits above this circle.
Check it out. We can do.
Head back.
The revolution and the rotation of the Earth.
There's actually one perspective. Even Einstein said, one perspective of Earth. We can't tell if it's stars from Earth.
Not even a very good one.
Is the sun flat or is the sun round?
Well, it's not round like a ball. If it is, we can't tell because we only see one.
Two-dimensional.
Just the same with the moon. We just see one side of it. God said he put the sun and the moon in the firmament.
Video with the moon. So that retarded crater that's 40 miles in diameter, whatever the hell it's called, I can't think of it. So 280,000 miles away, wherever the hell the moon is, supposedly. But you can see that with your naked eye. A 40 mile.
At 238,000, you can see 40 miles.
40 miles. That's not freaking
So
possible.
what is that? Yeah.
They just spin in a circle.
I put that on the Space is Fake section of the website.
1,000 miles an hour.
That's a big one.
46,000
yeah, it
miles
is.
an hour around the sun.
They said they know how big that crater is since they've been to the freaking moon.
1.3 million miles an hour.
Come on, people.
This is
It's
all
all just
theory.
ludicrous.
They have a theory down here. They show it to you. They show the kids when they're little. They show them this ball we live on, right? But you never felt the earth move. You can't. You've seen it. You've been to a lake. One as old as you.
There's no evidence for a ball. See this? This is reality. You get the line on a sunset. That means it's flat. If it were curved, you'd only get like a spot. You can do that with paper, glossy paper, and a light bulb and test it yourself. But see, it's a line.
Like you've seen photos of the curve of the earth. What they call GoPro, wide-angle lens. Right? It bends. We can bend the earth 10 feet above the ground. But we have blue footage over 100,000 feet, like 22 miles high. It shows a flat horizon. Look how close that sun is. You get up that high, that sun's right there. And some say it's maybe 3,500 miles away because it's small and close.
I think it's a lot closer, but that's
and
my
what they
personal
do, the sun and
opinion.
moon, they just circle around the earth like a spotlight. But they just re-engineered God's flat earth.
Hear the truth about the spinning ball. There is no spinning ball. Give me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball, and I'll give you one. You can win a spinning ball if you tell me one reason why you think we live on one. We do not live on a spinning ball. You can look this up yourself. If you tell me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball, you can win one.
People without excuse because of what he made, right?
Hey guy, you ever hear flat earth before? Did you ever hear of that? It's all over the internet.
It's stupid.
No, it's not. Look, you know how to watch videos? Look up those videos right there. We do not live on a spinning ball. I can tell you all about it. If you could give me one reason why you think we live on the ball. Why do you think so? Yeah, why do you think so? Yeah, but why do you think we live on a globe? Tell me one reason.
God put me there?
No, he put you on a flat plane. Yep, he did. Read your Bible.
I was just listening to this.
Like to look this up? It's scientific.
And we're bringing up strong. Yeah, they're going into strong, showing what that word meant.
We do not live on a spinning ball. Here you go. I'll tell you about it in 60 seconds. You got 60 seconds?
Yeah.
Good. This is the flat earth map. This is in the Boston Library, this map. It's big. All these world organizations use the flat earth map, but they leave off Antarctica. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. They don't want you to know that part. Okay? Now, if there is a spinning ball, then there has to be a mathematical formula for how far out it goes and how far down it drops, right? You would think so, right? Here's the formula, 8 inches times a mile squared. It's right here on the back of your card. So look, here's Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan.
Between the waters below.
Hold on a second.
Between the waters above that.
Hold on, Dave. Talk to Dave. So here's 60 miles of Lake Michigan, and there's Chicago. That should be hidden, according to curvature, that should be hidden behind 1,700 feet. That would be a 170-story building. It's right there. And we proved that's a real picture because a guy got in a boat and went across like that. Didn't change. So look, here's some reality. Reality is we see a line with a sunset, right? Okay? If it's a curved surface, if you take glossy paper, go like that up to a light bulb, you'll only see a spot. But we get this line, and that comes when you go like this.
But that was a dream.
It's a flat surface, and you can test that yourself. Here's something else. These star trails, if you leave your camera open at Polaris, which is the pole star, and you leave it open and it goes for a long time, you'll get star trails. But what do they teach you in school? They teach you this. They say that the Milky Way's moving and the sun is moving and the planets are all going around it. Do you think if that will give you that?
Probably
Not. The stars have been used for centuries, thousands of years for navigation. They have never changed. They do move around us, but they are not changing position like they would with that. Do you have a question? Go ahead.
Yeah, what about the people that like climb a mountain and then they look out and then it's curved?
Okay, there's two reasons for that. Either if it's with their own eyes, then it's field of vision. They say this is 10 miles. Then I see 10 miles here and I see 10 miles there. But we have been trained to think that there's earth curvature. So that circle we see, we say, oh, that must be the curve. But what we don't know, what we're not realizing is this.
Dave keeps getting Shanksville.
Schwanksville, no. Wait. Forget it. Damn it. Oh, here it is. Sorry.
So wait, are you saying that...
This is what they don't tell you. The horizon is always at your eye level. If you take this down the seashore, you go like this, there's the horizon right there. If you go up on Mount Everest, you go like this, that's the horizon right there. It never goes down. Never. And you can test that. You can look in airplane footage out the pilot's window. It's always up here. And that's because of this. It's called perspective. See, this is number 6, number 143 of this video. The 200 proofs video. At the bottom of your card, if you type that in, you'll get this video that has all these pictures on it. So perspective is two planes coming together, and they will always converge at your eye level. So I would encourage you to watch the video and then study perspective and then test everything that you don't understand. And if you want to contact me, I'm also on that website. Thanks for stopping, girls.
Theoretical. Yes, not real science, because you can't prove the things that they say. Because, do you know what a vacuum is? Yes. Okay. To create a vacuum, you have to have a solid physical barrier between the two atoms.
There is no spinning ball. Give me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball, and I'll give you one. Think about it. On your way back, catch up with me. We do not live on a spinning ball. We do not live on a spinning ball. Look it up. Yeah, you can have that. It's true. It's absolutely true.
Like ionosphere, stratosphere,
Thermosphere.
what sphere does it exist?
Well, there's questions about.
It doesn't. In their model, it doesn't. It just magically happens. Also,
She wants to know where the barrier is.
Yeah.
Okay.
All you have to do
What
is...
sphere in the atmosphere?
Well,
Are you talking
well, there
about
is
the
no,
firmament?
there is no sphere. Okay, but the firmament is what they are calling the Van Allen radiation belts. They call it different names. They call it the thermosphere. They call it different things. Anytime they don't want us to go there, they make it sound scary. So thermosphere is like 2,000 degrees. But then how could that little space thing go through it that landed on the moon when it's made of aluminum foil? Did you really ever look at the space? We have a guy coming who has a picture of it.
Yeah, I watched...
The thing that landed on the moon is made of foil and tape.
I watched the moon landing in school when it happened, right?
Yeah.
But now that I've seen the moon
There you go. You can look this stuff up. It's true. Absolutely true.
Blow it up and how it goes together. Because it was filmed on a stage. Now, why they did it for national security, everybody involved.
Prove to me we live on a spinning ball and I'll give you one. Prove to me we live on a spinning ball. Give me one fact. Anybody got one idea? One fact?
About what?
Why you live on a spinning ball? Do you think we live on a spinning ball?
Well, I surely don't think we live on a flat earth.
Really? Tell me one reason why you think we live on a spinning ball.
Well, it's just...
Because you were told that when you were 5 years old. Do you know what that's called?
Because if you look at the sun and the moon, they go around the earth.
Really?
Yeah.
They go around the earth.
The earth isn't round on a flat piece of paper.
It is.
It is?
Yes, I can tell you that.
tell me that.
I can show you that this way. Look. If it's a flat surface, you'll get the line. That's reality, isn't it? The flat surface, you get the line of reflection. But look, if it's a curved surface, you only get a spot. You can go home and prove that to yourself by going like this up to a light bulb, and you'll see
you're
it.
talking about many miles. You're not talking
That's
about
exactly
a piece
right.
of paper.
So what's the difference between this and a line? Look, you have to go with reality.
Yeah,
And this is reality, too.
What's reality? Have you ever heard anybody fall off the edge of the earth?
No, you know why? Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. That's what's holding us in. Look, this is Antarctica. Look at how 200-foot high ice walls. They are lying to us, and this is, look, here's a curvature.
So in this day and age, if the earth was flat,
you know why?
So you don't think that people went over there and looked down?
Correct. Do you know why?
Nobody ever did that.
Antarctic Treaty.
We can get to the moon.
No, we can't get to the moon.
Oh, we
you
never
cannot
landed
land on the moon. Do you know why?
Nobody ever landed on the moon?
No, do you know why? Because it's not a firm surface. It's not made of dirt. It's a filament. It's a light bulb kind of filament.
Oh.
You can see right through it. The next time you see it during the day, look at the back side. It's blue. It's not dark. You just look at that. Just think about it. And then you can contact me if you'd like. No, just
I'm
please.
not going to contact you. I think you're a wacko.
Yeah, well, that's because you don't want to look into it. That's a shame. I'd rather be a wacko than ignorant. Ignorance is bliss, and if you know you don't know the truth, then you don't have to be responsible. What did David say? Prove to me we live on a spinning ball, and I'll give you one.
Some people had to Photoshop, but they were inserted into the you blow up a picture of the lunar lander, it looks like a
Prove to me we live on a spinning ball, and I'll give you one. Where are you at, buddy?
mixing it with real science.
It's right where we ate dinner, right across the street.
It's a deep subject, but all the writing on the back tells you how to look it up. YouTube's hiding all this.
Okay, so how far do you think you are? Okay, all right, see you then. Bye. Prove to me we live on a spinning ball, and I'll give you one.
Take this, Dave. It'll make you smart.
It will. Are you giving little cards? Hey, you going to tell him how to think? Is that what you're going to do? You don't want him to think for himself?
Indoctrination is
indoctrination. Yeah, what is that?
How you doing there?
Good, thank you.
What the heck is that thing? She have
It lights up, and it has real pretty little LED lights on it. It's very nice. Sally! Was that Sally? Looked like Sally in that truck. It is! Hi! It was Sally.
Who's Sally?
A girlfriend, Sally Fagan, when we used to go riding together when we were young.
Oh, okay. Is she still riding?
I don't think so. She sold her saddle at the yard sale, so. Hey, prove to me we live on a spinning ball and I'll give you one. One fact. Did you know the horizon is always at your eye level? Even up on Mount Everest. It is. Always at your eye level. That proves it does not dip down. Take a couple. Give them out. Yeah. Those girls took a couple more cards. We're going to hand them out. I'm there. Yeah, go ahead. They listened for a long time. I'm almost out of these. That's good.
It depends on the
I have a
conversation
bunch.
I'm having.
Yeah.
Hey, did you ever hear NASA's faking all their space travel photos?
This is awesome. Now wait, let me see. Here, I got cards. This is the end of it, I think. Oh, I got more? Yeah, I got some more right there. The horizon is always at your eye level, even on top of Mount Everest. That proves it does not go down. I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, it crossed my mind. Did Dave say something about eating or just going to the bathroom?
I don't know. What does this say? Every time, you know, I get propositioned on the Facebook.
What do you mean?
I don't know. They say, oh, I just want to have a conversation with you. And I'm sorry, I don't talk to anybody I don't know personally. I just make that my rule.
Oh, you can comment to people on Facebook even if
Yeah,
you're not a friend?
it's a messenger. No, they can send messages, but I don't have to respond.
Oh, okay.
See? And they don't know if I've seen it. But I don't ever respond. If they're a Facebook friend, then I...
Yeah, well, I was on it for a little bit, a couple days, a couple months.
Couple days.
And, yeah, I didn't like it.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I broke up with a girl over it.
The horizon is always at your eye level, even on top of Mount Everest. It does not go down, ever. That proves perspective, convergence of two planes. And if that's funny, you don't know anything. I mean, how can people laugh at science? You know, is it those motorcycles? I mean, when they're driving by, you think, oh boy, that's loud, but it's fun to ride them. It's fun to feel that, like, you know. And I went to the hot rod in Lansdale, and it brought back so many memories of when we were young and the hot cars and all the...
Yeah,
I know.
You didn't show many of the cars.
Hey,
The Earth is flat.
it is. The horizon always goes to your eye level, even if you're in an airplane.
What about the Earth is motionless? I hope they like that one. The Earth is motionless.
Hey, you can look this up at home.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, watch the video on the back there. Type that in. The Earth is a plane, it's not a spinning ball.
Yep.
The horizon is always at your eye level. It never goes down. No matter how high you get. You can look it up. Horizon is always at your eye level. No matter, it's true. That's true.
Thank you.
You want to know more? I can tell you. Horizon is always at your eye level, even up on Mount Everest. You want to look it up? You can look us up. Horizon is always at your eye level, even on Mount Everest. It never curves downward. We do not live on a spinning ball. Come on over, sir. I'll tell you all about it. Oh, no, she's saying, oh, no, I lost him again.
What are you, flat earthers?
Yes, sir. Look at this.
Motionless flat earthers.
This
I
is,
don't believe in
well, this is the flat Earth map. It's in the Boston Library. North Pole's in the center.
Sure off the edge.
Yeah, North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. Here you can have your own picture. Look, if there is a ball, then it has to have a formula for how far out it goes and how far down it drops. You have to have that. So here's the formula, and there's Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan.
From what height?
Sea level, right at the edge of the water. We have a picture of a guy, he took a movie going all the way across. It's an actual picture. So it should be under 1,700 feet of curvature, and it's not. So look, here's reality. You get the line of a reflection and with a sunset. But if it's a curve, you only get a spot. And you can do that with glossy paper at home and your light bulb. Go like this, and yeah, I only get a spot. But if I go like this, oh, I get the line. You could test that yourself. And yeah, so that we see the line. Now here's something else.
No,
Star trails. This is North Pole. If you leave your camera open, you get the round circle star trails. But guess what they teach us in school? They teach us that. They say that Milky Way is moving, the sun is moving, and all the planets are moving around the sun, right? That's what they teach us, right? With that, do you think we'll get that? No, I don't. That's why we're putting all this out here, because we don't find any curvature. From Wildwood to Atlantic City, it's 32.6 miles. That should be 681 feet of curvature. You never should see Atlantic City, but we can see right down to the shoreline. So all the videos there on the bottom, type that in your computer, or have your children type that in for you, and you watch these videos, and all this information is on these videos.
I'll check it out.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You too, Bob. Hello.
What, are you feeling better now?
It's a long walk.
Is it a long walk?
I'm not shaved, I'm sitting right
Well, you know, there is a restaurant right there. I bet you they have to let us use the bathrooms.
Yeah, I wanted to get a caffeinated beverage too.
Oh, did you do that?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Otherwise I'll go insane. They got me hooked.
Oh, gosh.
So how far was Wawa?
No. I don't think it's a half mile.
Half a mile? You think it's that far? See the traffic light? It's at the traffic light.
That's more than a quarter mile, right?
It's at the traffic light.
I can't tell with the curvature.
Oh, shit.
So did Wawa have a bathroom?
Yeah, nice bathrooms. You can look this up.
Here at NASA's Fake and Space Travel?
Yeah, check this out, buddy. Look at his feet. Look how he walks.
My
Look
cousin
at him.
walks like that. He's a pastor. He's
Oh
always
my
walked
gosh,
like that.
what is
I
that?
don't. I think.
Is it a brain thing?
Which one are you talking about?
What?
The young
Look,
one?
the young one. Look,
Yeah,
he
he's-
doesn't step on his heels.
I got the something wrong with me vibe.
Yeah.
The way he walks, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just some people walk like that.
No, I think it's something's
Oh,
wrong.
that. He's not putting his heels down.
He doesn't
He's
put his
gonna-
heels down.
He's going to have surgery. His tendons are too tight.
Or he should get cowboy boots. He'd look normal then.
My cousin had always walked like that. He was never a real athlete.
Well, there's something wrong in your family genes.
Hey, look. Any shit out of you, I'll squeeze your head.
Walk it down.
I'll pop your zit.
What's great is when you walk away from here, you get to hear people talking about
The horizon always rises to your eye level. It never dips down. We do not live on a spinning ball. You can look this up. You can look it up yourself. It's not funny. It's the truth. They're lying to our kids. They are.
No, I'm in agreement with you. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
My kids never went to public school.
Good.
I homeschooled mine through elementary, yes.
Okay, so that didn't look like a positive experience. No. But as Dave Boyce from the Flat Earth podcast would say, the seed has been planted with her.
I would think so.
Down the line, may hear it again and then decide to.
The earth is flat.
You can look this up
doesn't
at
move.
home.
It
The
doesn't
horizon always goes to your eye level.
I could have liked this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just type in all the videos will give you all the information.
The earth doesn't move.
You can look it up yourself.
That's okay. Thank you.
Horizon always goes to your eye level, even on Mount Everest. It never goes down. We do not live on a ball. North Carolina, what are they doing here? Driving through. Horizon is always at your eye level. It never goes down. The horizon is always at your eye level.
Try, we've been duped, check it out.
You try that.
I've been doing, that's what I get in.
You think it does?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing it at the other side of the street.
And you saw how Rail Marker does it, right? They just go around handing their shit out to
I
everybody.
know, but you don't know if they're going to look into
It doesn't
it.
matter, it's in their hands.
Oh.
Check it out, we've been duped.